Hey guys, welcome to Swisher Homestead. Wow, it's been cold, rainy, ice, snow, just a mixture of everything, and I've got to get our wood stocked up for Amy so she can stay nice and warm in there. We finally ran out. As you can see, that's how much wood we've used already this year. So it's about 2 years worth of firewood. Like we said, it was about spot on. But we're gonna have to keep that up and keep that wood going. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the tarp over so I can reach in there and get the wood. Alright, so I got that done. Woo! Just put in there. I'm gonna go get my gloves on. A little stiff this morning, a little stiff. It's cold. I gotta start taking these inside. I leave them in my truck, in my toolbox. But there, it is cold out. So in case you guys didn't know and didn't watch a prior video, the wood I'm burning is all red oak. There's a little white oak in between there, not much, hardly any at all. But hopefully I can get this wood shed built this year and we'll have a nice dry place. I won't have to use the tarp no more. But the tarp keeps it dry. So we fill up that wheelbarrow like that about every 3 to 4 days, depending on how cold it is. It is really cold right now. Amy looked, it was 29 degrees. We're supposed to be down in the teens. I think this video will probably get released on Saturday. So Saturday through Tuesday. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Like I say, he's always got to get on the video. Saturday through Tuesday, our low is supposed to be down in the teens. Saturday night or Sunday early morning, it's supposed to be like 10 with a wind chill factor. So to me, that's cold. And we're in Tennessee. I mean, I know people up Maine get that stuff all the time, but we're down here and yes, hey, we got you, brother. So at this point, I'm going to get this wood over here. Amy's going to help me load it up so we can get that done. And I have some other chores I got to do in the homestead that are just basic chores. So at this point, let's get that wood over there so we can get that house nice and warm. Never fails. Always one's got to fall off and block the wheels in the front. Yes, I do use a wheelbarrow for this because I can't see him making 50 trips to stock up wood. So
business on the top, party on the bottom.
Yeah. So if you guys don't seem to remember, I had talked about those totes you get at one of the big box stores. That's what we keep all of our wood. We stack it up there. It doesn't fall all over the porch. It stays contained. And it fills up easy. You don't have to keep sweeping the porch off from all the pieces of wood and bark. And
come on, let's get moving. It's cold.
I'm moving. Let's not scratch up the porch. You want to move. That'll be enough?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ooh. Alright guys, so see, that's how we stack our wood pile in our tote, and that's how we do it on our homestead.